Hello and welcome everybody. My name is Jerry and I'm with 3DHP here on YouTube. I've been in the hobby for about 7 years now, I guess, since I retired from construction here in Las Vegas. I'm pretty much a do-it-yourselfer. I don't hire anybody for anything. I fix my own vehicles, I work on my own house, I fix everything. And then I got into 3D printing. And then I got into resin printing. And then I got into laser engraving. And then I do a little bit of painting. And since I've been in the hobby, I've done hundreds of resin prints. I've done hundreds and hundreds of FDM prints. Most people say they're useless models, statues, figurines, sometimes functional prints. And that's pretty much what I do on this channel. I have around 300 videos. I've been doing this for quite some time. And just want, like I say, want to tell you a little bit about myself. Please consider subscribing to my channel. I stream live every Saturday at 1 p.m. Pacific here on YouTube. And I have up to 10 makers at a time on screen with me, and we talk about 3D printing and things that we're working on. And people that are in chat are also welcome to join in and share their projects. If you have a question, you're welcome to post your question. We'll do our very best to answer it. And that's pretty much what my channel is all about and what I do. As you can see, I've got a Noisy Bamboo Labs right here. It's not that bad. I've got the door cracked because I'm printing PLA, and I'm using a textured build plate, and the build plate is heated right now. So when you use a cool plate, you can have it closed. I'm using the textured plate, which is heated, so the door is cracked open. But I recently bought this. I'm loving it. I've had it for about a week now, and so far so good. I got the AMS unit. I'm having a blast with it. And I've sold off a lot of my printers in order to be able to afford this. And yeah, like I say, please subscribe. Consider commenting on my videos. Give me a thumbs up when you watch them. I'm trying to grow my channel. And this is pretty much who I am. If you have any questions, please leave it down below this video. And I try to help everybody out. I do reviews once in a while on 3D printers and lasers, things like that. Resin printers. I do a little bit of everything. But yeah, check out my channel. Please like, subscribe, and I'd really appreciate it. Thank you, everybody, and you have an awesome day. Later.